Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website kanyalife.com. I'm on the homepage and I really love that your pop-up has got the same logo as your website, the same colors, so this is perfect. I think the video on a homepage is so much more engaging, so much more inviting to browse than just a static image or even sliding images. So this is really perfect, nicely made, nicely done video that shows right away what your products are, your niche. So obviously beauty products, someone using one of your products. So this is much more engaging, and it's really nicely incorporated as well into your website. So that's perfect. Okay, so and then you tell about what you're selling right away, chakra balancing. I would make this text, this block of text slightly shorter. Maybe move this to about us page or other frequently asked questions, and simply leave the title. And because this is the key area on the website, you should really show the products here instead of the text. So while you can tell what you're selling in the title, I'd encourage you to show featured products right below and move the text either lower on the home page or move to another page, move to another blog post, because the block of text is not as inviting as seeing the images, seeing featured products, seeing featured collections, which would definitely help your conversion rate much better. So consider changing that around. However, you've got your own oil, so you produce your own oil. So this is like balancing oil, so this is perfect. Okay, that's really nice. Shop body oil, shop oil. Okay, so I like this section, looks so beautiful. It shows your beautiful packaging. I would move it to the top right below this video because it's much more inviting, building your professional branding. Also, I'm not sure if you noticed, this text is quite difficult to read against the images, because the images have got image is quite detailed with bit of text. Think about optimizing it further. You can add extra layer between the text and the image, so to create stronger backdrop to make the text more legible, or simply crop the image better so the text is against the plain background. Obviously the background needs to be darker, then it will make the text much more easier to read, and it will basically be more accessible. Okay, so this is building your trust and authority as well, because you appeared in on these websites. Because these are external links, remember to open them in your tab. For example, when I clicked on this image on your website disappeared from my browser, and now I'm on completely different website, which means if you open those kind of external links in the same tab, you will lose traffic to your competitors, to other websites. Remember to open any of those external links in new tab. So I'll return to your website now. Okay, going further, so these are featured blog posts, very nicely optimized. Okay, quest for purity. I would move it to the top because the image is looks beautiful. It shows your products. It has got call to action, our store link into your product, to about us page. So it should be at the top. The blog post should be really at the bottom. They don't need that much attention, but those icons are important. So I would move this block of text and the block of text and the featured post at the bottom. I would optimize, if I'm honest, I would optimize this image a little bit more. This section, it is not as well visually appealing as this section, so I would rotate these elements and optimize this slightly further as well. However, you've got footer navigation, so that's important. That's really good for the user experience, the shop browsing, and so on. So this is perfect. Remember also to link to your social media here. I know that you've got Instagram feeds. Remember too. add your Instagram icons. This is the perfect place. This is where people really expect to see social media sites, so obviously Instagram and other sites if you're using them as well. Remember also to optimize and check any of those links. For example, when I clicked on a shop, I was taken to the top of the home page instead of the shop page. So remember to check any of those links if they are working. So as you can see, if I click on shop, I'm taken to the top of the home page instead of your shop page, which should be this one. So I'm going to, okay, that's top link is not working. So it really should be activated, because from my experience, I know that when people, even when they see the drop down menu, majority of people click on the main link at the top. So it will further help to improve your user experience and conversion rate as well. So make sure to optimize it. But I'm going to check by product type. Okay. The collection page looks great. I would optimize the title a little bit more to contain one of your keywords. So for example, you can add shop body oils by product tab, which would be much more SEO friendly. And also instead of 4, because this particular layout, maybe you can change the layout to show 2 in a row, so you will avoid this kind of void area, which doesn't look very professional. So think about changing the layout a little bit more. I'll have a look at the collection page now. Okay, so the collection page looks really nice. It contains only 2 products, so it will be much better to optimize the browsing, because I had to make like 2 or 3 clicks just to get to products, which is quite counterproductive and considered quite a bad user experience right now, because the less clicks you ask your visitors to make, the better for your conversion rate. So if people have to click continuously to collections list and then to collection and to see only 2 products, it's a little bit discouraging. It can put some of the shoppers off. I'm not sure if you've got those kind of 3 dots at the top. Is it the something missing? It just doesn't look like it doesn't belong to the image. It looks like there is some kind of coding that is displaying. Perhaps something else was shown, but now it shows the 3 dots. So yeah, think about checking it, because it just feels like there's something missing. It doesn't look like it should be like that. It just looks like there's something not loading properly. So think about checking it. However, the product images look almost identical, but however they are obviously different products. But I will check the product page as well. Okay, the product page looks excellent. You've got add to cart above the fold, so that's important. Okay, you've got unique product descriptions. You explain what the scraps are perfect. Okay, what kind of problems they are solving, so that's also perfect. And related items. Okay, 15 days return policy. I like that you show it in the footer, so people can always see it without even clicking to returns policy. That's really, really good. Also remember to add shipping policy with your delivery time, delivery rates, and also information whether you ship worldwide, whether you ship only within your country. This is quite important. Will also help to convert more visitors into shoppers as well. Your SEO score is 52 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet is optimized, however, the meta description is slightly too long. It is beautifully optimized, however, it should be under 165 characters, because otherwise it will be cut off in the search results. So remember to stick within the character limit. You're missing H1 tag, which should be assigned to the product page. So remember to use it as well, because it's quite important for Google. Also remember to add more written content through regular blogging. I know that you write a blog, which is perfect post blog post. So remember to keep adding the content consistently. Google loves written content added on a consistent basis. And also remember to optimize all images with SEO-friendly alt tags as well. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.